This is an instructional video to show you how to connect the Scotch Electronics CK-1P6 to the Panasonic KXTG 9381 and 9391 phones. The CK-1P6 will only work with these phones. This is what the CK-1P6 looks like out of the box. The CK-1P6 must be connected to the base phone at your site, and all of the phones will have music on hold. You can only use one base phone, the one with the phone cords plugged into it, at your site. If you have more than one base phone, disconnect any other base phones and register their handsets to the base phone you are installing at. First, set your phone on top of the unit like this. Now take the phone cord out of the line 1/2 jack from the back of the phone and plug it into the 1 and 2 to line on the CK1. Then take the cord in the 1 and 2 to phone jack and plug the free end to line 1 and 2 on the back of the phone. An important note, if your phone has two phone cords, one in the line 1/2 and one in line 2, we are only going to be working with the line 1/2 cord. For this connection, you take the cord out of line 1/2 and plug it into the 1 and 2 to line on our box, and from the 1 and 2 to phone you go into the line 1/2 of the telephone. The CK-1P6 does not have a built-in player, so you will need to connect a digital player or some other audio source that has an 8 ohm or headphones jack to the unit. We supply this audio cable and adapter with the CK-1P6. The cable will connect the unit to most digital players, and you will most likely not need the adapter. If you want to connect the CK-1P6 to a CD player, you will need to use this adapter we send with the audio cable and plug it into the headphones jack on the CD player. If the CD player only has an aux-in jack, this will not work. It must be a headphones jack. Now take the audio cord and plug one end into the 8 ohm or audio out jack on your player, like this. Then the other end into the audio in jack on the CK1. Now remove the protective yellow paper from the back of the sensor board of the CK1. When we place the board on the phone, notice it will be covering the telephone's line buttons. As you place it down on the phone, it will lock into place, again covering the telephone's line buttons. Notice how it's aligned. Now plug the power into the CK-1P6. You'll see the lights on the back flash several times. This is the normal power-up sequence. Now I'm going to make a test call to show you how everything works. When you pick up the call, wait at least 3 seconds before placing the call on hold. You notice how the light is flashing on the board, and the corresponding light on the box comes on solid red. This lets you know everything's working perfectly. And that's it. If you have any further questions, please call us at 916-786-6186.